Awesome. Well, before we wrap today, we want to dive into something we call the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us have a little bit more fun.
One of the things that I use, less so in the business, but can definitely be used in your business, and I use this all the time. It's a speaker from Costco. I don't know if you've ever seen them. I think they're called the ION Pathfinders. They have one right now for like $80. It's kind of small. Mine is bigger and heavier, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Um, but we use this all the time when we have backyard barbecues, beach day. When we didn't bring it to our last beach day. But these little portable speakers, they're water resistant, they're battery powered, they can charge your phone, they're Bluetooth, and they're really loud. And the thing that I really love about them the most is they last on a single charge for months. So if you're having, we've talked about this a lot, if you're having small get-togethers, you're having little client events, that sort of stuff, we've used them for our events as well. These little things, like I said, they're $80, $150. The ION Pathfinders from Costco, my favorite big portable speaker.
Cool. The one that we're actually rolling this out to our team tomorrow. We've been using a learning management system called Teachable to help kind of onboard new agents. Simultaneously, we've been using a frequently asked questions system called Zendesk to help agents after they join our team to get their commonly asked questions answered. But we had two separate systems, and it's kind of been a headache for our agents to be bouncing. They don't even wait, when do I go to this system versus that system? So we're now merging those two systems together into a single system. So we've been on a big mission over the last year or so to not add new systems into the business. Well, technically we're adding one, but we're subtracting two. So it's a net -1 in systems for the business. So now our agents can just go into Trainual. And so what I love with Trainual 2 is it's very selectable. So the learning management side, when somebody joins, we have two different types of agents within our company here at Whissel. So depending on which type of agent they are, there's different trainings for them. Then there's training for our stateside admins, for our international admins. So we can have different training paths available based on the position somebody's joining in the company. Then the FAQ, the frequently asked questions stuff, is all in there. So now if somebody has a question, they're going into the same system where they took their trainings, which is great. It has things like our org chart is in there, policies and procedures is in there. It's really consolidating a lot of existing systems into a single system, which really makes it nice, especially as we have a growing organization, 100 plus agents now. So making it easier for our agents to find what they need is so freaking valuable. There's some cool AI stuff built into it as well. So we're using Trainual, and if you are looking to get dialed in with Trainual, they did give me a coupon code for it. So if you do want to get dialed in with Trainual, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll send you over a special link to get you a little hookup in case you want to jump on that.
A little something for everyone in your Instagram this week, huh?
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of DMs. Cool. Well, hopefully you guys got a ton of value out of the show today. If you did, if you watched on a YouTube, hit that thumbs up button. And if you want more of the content, hit the subscribe button and little notification bell. And if you're watching or listening on a podcast platform, make sure to subscribe and write us a quick review when you finish up this episode. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.